Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys my Walgreens haul, which actually turned out to be awesome. I got some things on my list and then I got some stuff that I didn't have on my list because I saw some pretty good deals. One thing I want to share with you guys right now is if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, and if you do, you should. I post every single time there's a free 8x10, so make sure you guys get your free 8x10. It just started today. I have a video, about probably 2 videos before this, that has all the information on there. I always get 8x10s and I'm running out of ideas until I have my kid. I don't have any more ideas for 8x10s, but I ended up getting an old photo of Graham and I at the Green Bay Packers Stadium way back in the day. So I thought this would be a good photo for us to have, to have together. So I ended up getting that for free. It's a $4 value you guys can get absolutely free, and that deal ends on Tuesday. Okay, so the first deal I got is a Colgate deal. Now this is pretty much the same deal as last week, except it gets register rewards instead of points. I like the point system, and you guys know what? I also just posted a video that I got for sure. My husband got an email from work that for sure says the points are coming back May 5th. You can get $1, $2, $3, $4, $5 redemptions, and then they're adding $10, $20, and $50 redemptions. So you guys can start redeeming a little bit more points, which I like. I'll take anything. It's better than the $5 ones, and it's free money, so why not? But yeah, the Colgate deal is pretty much the same deal as last time. I just don't like register rewards. I've been having problems with register rewards lately. But these were $2.99. You guys want to use two $2 off coupons that we got from our inserts 2 weeks ago, or last Sunday, I guess. You guys would pay $1.98 for this, but then you guys will get a $2 register reward, making this free. My register reward did not print, so I ended up having the store give me points for it. So now if you guys are not sure what to do when a register reward doesn't print, you can either ask your store to give you points instead, or they will have you contact corporate. Corporate really won't do anything. Or they have you fill out a form on the Catalina company. I've done a video for that. Had bad experience with it, so I just rather have the store just give me points. So these come out to be absolutely free. The soft soap deal is awesome. Now I'm just going to give you guys a heads up. There might be people who clear the shelves for this deal. I don't know if they really clear the shelf, but I think this is a pretty good deal. And this is really when I like to stock up. So the soft soap, hand soap, these are $2.99. Now they do have the smaller ones on sale also, but the smaller ones you can't use the coupon for it, so it's up to you guys what you guys want to do with that. But these are $2.99. They're buy one get one 50% off. You guys want to buy 4 of them. You guys want to use 4 75-cent off coupons that we just got in today's inserts. Now if you guys don't have those coupons, you can also print them off on coupons.com, so that's an even better deal. You guys would pay $5.97 for all 4 of these, but then you guys will get 4,000 points. Now this is a deal where you can pay with points and get points because it's buy 4, get points. So your final price comes to be $1.97 or just 49 cents a piece, and I really like stocking up on this. I think the next hand soap I really want to use is the Hydro Bliss. It's coconut water and blueberry, so pretty excited to share or try that one, I guess. The next deal I did is a Rojo To Deal. Now I'm going to keep doing this until it no longer resets. Usually these reset about 5 times, and I think I have one more time to do this deal before it ends. But this is $9.99. This is the last week to do this deal because it's going to be a different sale next week. But this is $9.99. You guys use that $5 off coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would pay $4.99 for this, but then you guys can submit a $5 rebate on Ibotta, making this absolutely free. I've done this deal pretty much every single week this month because it's a great deal. The Blink Contacts deal is a great deal also. These are $7.99. You guys want to use a $3 off coupon that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago. Plus there is a $4 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just get this for 99 cents. So 99 cents for eyeglass stuff is a pretty great deal. Extra laundry detergent, in case you guys want to get some. No coupon needed. This is just 99 cents. I always do this deal. Just get one just to show you guys. You know, it's pretty decent. I've never used it, but this is great stuff if you guys need to donate stuff to shelters or anything like that. This is a great price to donate. So that is just 99 cents. Downy fabric softener. Whoa. I never hardly ever get Downy. I do have some in my stockpile because there was one time there was an awesome deal, but other than that I don't ever really get Downy with my couponing. I wish I did. I like it. I use it all the time. But this is $2.95. Now I tried looking for the digital coupon on the website. It wasn't I couldn't find it, and then I got to the store and I scanned it, and it was like the Downy Unstoppables coupon that popped up for it. It says Unstoppables and then Downy. So just giving you guys a heads up if you can't find it. But you guys use that $1 off digital coupon, you guys would just get this for $1.95. So I think $1.95 for something we rarely get is an okay deal, and it's fabric softener, which I use that like crazy. Now here is an easy freebie that you guys want to do. Now these are the Wet n Wild. I don't know if this is eyeliner or if this is eyebrow pencils. This is called Pretty in Mink is the color, but it just says color icon, color eye, coal crayon. I don't know what this is. I'll probably use it as an eyeliner or eyebrow pencil. That's why I got it in brown. But these were $1.19 a piece. Now I was trying to scan the items to see what would work for the sale, but none of this stuff was popping up. It said that Walgreens.com wasn't available. So I'm like, okay, we got that. But otherwise, these were, you know, $1.19. Now they are buy one get one 50% off. So you guys would end up paying $1.78 for the both of these. But then when you guys buy two, you guys will get 2,000 points, making this a 21-cent moneymaker. Now these people, once people catch on that these are going to be free, they're probably going to stock up like crazy. Now something like this is something that you guys can buy to stock up your points. I've had a lot of people say I wish I had points to stock up on. This is something that is a good deal to stock up on points because you're getting 21 cents more of points every time. So you guys could do this deal multiple times, or you guys could do this deal as many times as you want. If you want to buy 10 of them in one transaction, you guys would get, you know, 10,000 points, but you guys would pay probably $9. So it's up to you guys what you guys want to do, but that is an easy freebie, and I might go back and do that deal some more just to stack up some points. Now a deal that is awesome is this deal. Now my store was still putting sale up, and I wanted to get the wipes, but they didn't have the price on it. I tried scanning it at the store. The online thing says it doesn't work, so I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna get something that I know is marked. So these are the Almay wipes. These are $5.99 a piece. Now this deal is for today only with those coupons. Okay, so $5.99 a piece. They are buy one get one 50% off. You guys want to use two $3 off coupons that we got in a paper probably a couple weeks ago. You guys would pay $2.98, but this is a deal where you guys can pay with points and get points, and you guys will get 3,000 points, making these wipes absolutely free. So if you guys have those coupons and you do not want them to go to waste, definitely do it. I like these wipes. I've used these wipes like crazy, but I kind of like the bigger wipes better because I only need one sheet. Here I need about 2 or 3, but I'm not complaining. They still work and they're really good. So easy freebie for you guys to do that deal for today only, Sunday only. The next deal I got is some jelly beans. I thought I'm really craving some jelly beans right now. And this is the deal of the week where the Starburst jelly beans are on sale. And I was just kind of looking at them, and they have like tons of varieties. But this is the red ones. And I love red Starburst, and I love red jelly beans. So I thought, why not get these? These are just the ones with the, cherry, watermelon, and strawberry. So I thought those would be great to snack on. So these are for me to keep in my purse. And I put them in a little baggie and snack on them while I'm at work. So I definitely wanted to do that deal. The next deal I did, I said those were $1.49. Yeah, there's no coupons for them. The next deal I did was the Reese's deal. Now, if you guys know, I've been really craving Reese's peanut butter cups like crazy. I chop these up and I put them in my ice cream. I've just been craving these like crazy. So these were 3 for $8.50, okay? You guys want to use a 2 off of 3 coupon that we just got in today's paper. Plus there is a $1.50 off of 3 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would end up getting these, all 5 of these, for $5, which comes out to be $1.66 a bag, which I think is a pretty good deal. So I got I got the husband some eggs, and then I just got the regular miniatures. Now I feel like there is a difference to the taste. Like the taste is fine, but the texture is a little bit different. Because I've been cutting up the eggs and putting them on my ice cream, and I feel like it's just a little bit of a different taste than these. I mean, they're both the same thing, but I don't know. I don't care. I am excited that I got my Reese's peanut butter cups. That's something I just love putting in my ice cream. So that was my haul. I think I did pretty good. I got everything on my list. I did want to do the Crest deal, but I did not have a $2 digital coupon that popped up in my account, so I did not do that deal. I have to check my account and see what happens, or just see if there's anything in there. Sometimes stuff pops up later, but I wanted to do that deal. So my total, now please keep in mind, I do get an employee discount. My husband works for the company, so I do get in a discount, but I still show you guys, you know, the best deals that I can. But my total came to $21.13. I ended up getting 17,000 points back. I got 4,000 for the soft soap. I got technically 6,000 for the Almay. I got 2,000 for the Reese's, and then I don't know, I think I hit Beauty, so I think that may be it. Yeah, I hit Beauty, so that makes up the 17,000 points, so $17. I ended up supposed to get $2 of registry rewards, but again, it did not print off, so she just gave me points for those. And then I also I will be getting $5 back with Ibotta. Yeah, Ibotta has been a really good month. A really, really good month, I'm going to say. I hope in April is just as good for Ibotta. So definitely got that going on. So if you guys add everything together, my whole transaction came to a $2.87 moneymaker. I got everything for free. I was so excited for that. I can't go wrong when I get everything for free. So I'm really excited for the new point system coming up, because I had to do 3 separate transactions so I don't pay so much out of pocket. But yeah, I am super excited for the new point system to come back, because I will usually use the 10 and the 20 when I do redeem points. That's what I usually do. So excited about that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up so I can know that you guys enjoy it. I may or may not do a second haul. I know a lot of you guys are liking the second haul, so if I can rally up some other deals for you guys, I will definitely do it. So just wanted to let you guys know with that. Again, thanks for watching, and see you guys later. Bye-bye.